Hey there folks, I'm Jeff. I'm here to introduce you to my YouTube channel. I'll be talking about a wide range of topics. I'm not going to specialize in anything. I'll show you some of my interests. I have a lot of collectibles. Here's Star Trek. Got the Lando, Kendra. Got this Doctor Who sonic screwdriver. I like to read a lot about history. My family lived through the Halifax explosion. Let's grab some of my books here. These are the type of interests I have. Nell Hopkinson, classic, Neuromancer. I'm sure everybody talks about Foundation. Maybe not as many people talk about Amber or Roger Zelazny, but he was amazing. I've got lots of collectible card games. A lot of them maybe people haven't heard of. I mean, you might have heard of this one. There's classic Netrunner. The old Decipher Star Trek game wasn't very good. Cards smelled great. 7th Sea. Got some kung fu action there. We've got the old World of Darkness, Vampire the Masquerade, Lord of the Rings, an old Magic deck, the old Dune CCG, and Babylon 5, roleplay games. I've got every version of D&D. I've got like 20th century Vampire the Masquerade. I've got lots of Palladium stuff too. I like to listen to a lot of music. Obviously, everybody does. I've got stuff like I love Sarah McLachlan. I'm a huge heavy metal fan. Going through a black metal revival for myself. This is a great Canadian band. Mi'kmaq from Gaspé, Gaspéwegi black metal, Gur Arg. Because I love metal, I also have an affinity for jazz and blues. So those are the types of things I like. Even games, video games. Like a lot of anime stuff too. I got my Uchu Senkin Yamato. So I have I also have an interest in Canadian politics, history, like talking about current issues, public policy, stuff like that. So if any of this is of interest to you, come back, like, share, whatever the YouTube people do. So thanks a lot. Have a great day.